Well guys, here you have another video from Haulover Beach Inlet. This time a couple of nice yachts and boats splashing. So also I want to take this opportunity to thank all the subscribers and everybody that is supporting the channel by leaving the comment below as I asked for, and I think it's working. So hopefully we can get the numbers up and there will be less talking. I know that pretty much everybody wants that, even myself. But listen, again, I want to thank everybody and let you know that on February 15 to the 19th, I will be filming a lot of yacht and boat content from the Miami International Boat Show. That's one that you don't want to miss. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. And remember to always leave a comment below on all the videos that you see. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care.